Hi boys and girls. In today's lesson, we will be learning about the water cycle. As water changes state, it moves between the air and the earth in a process called the water cycle. Water is always moving through the water cycle. This process renews Earth's water supply. Here is a picture of the water cycle. There's some important vocabulary that you need to know in order to understand the water cycle. First is evaporation. The change of state from a liquid to a gas is evaporation. Next moves to condensation. The change of state from a gas to a liquid is condensation. Precipitation is any form of water that falls from clouds to Earth's surface. Precipitation includes rain, snow, sleet, and hail. After the water or snow, sleet, or hail falls to the earth, it is collected, and then it can also become runoff. Runoff collects in streams and rivers. Streams and rivers empty into ponds, lakes, and oceans. First, let's start with evaporation. This occurs when heat from the sun causes liquid water to change to water vapor, a gas. Water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers. Next is condensation. This occurs when water vapor in air cools. The water vapor changes to tiny droplets of liquid water. Clouds are made of these tiny droplets. As more water vapor condenses, the droplets in clouds become heavier. These drops of water fall to the ground as precipitation. Some of the precipitation soaks into the ground, becoming groundwater. Water that does not soak into the ground flows downhill as runoff. Runoff collects in streams and rivers. Streams and rivers empty into ponds, lakes, and oceans. The four different types of precipitation include rain, snow, sleet, and hail. Living things are part of the water cycle. All living things need water in order to survive. Plants take in water through their roots. Animals drink water. Living things also return water to the water cycle. Plants give off large amounts of water through their leaves. Animals, including people, give off water as waste. The water cycle renews this water so that it becomes fresh water again. Thank you for listening, and please complete your study guide.